Hey lads, TechScanning here. So have you ever picked up your phone and immediately felt that it's overheating? If so, you are not alone. And there are several reasons why it is happening. First, let's talk about the hardware inside your phone. Modern phones are packed with advanced processors, graphics chips, and other components, making them powerful devices. So when you use your phone, these components generate heat, which is normally dissipated through the phone's casing. However, if you push the phone to the limits, such as playing games or using heavy-duty apps, especially while charging, it can cause overheating. Another big cause of overheating is if you are using your phone in a very hot environment, such as in a car on a hot day or in a direct sunlight, the temperature inside the phone can rise quickly. So this can cause the phone to overheat, which can be damaging to the internal components. Now you may be asking what you should do. So to avoid such overheating problems, you can take some precautions, such as avoid using your phone while charging or running multiple resource-consuming apps at a time. Additionally, you can also use accessories like cooling fan. There are tons of them out there. I have picked 3 of them. The links are in the description, so check them out. Further, a malfunctioning battery or a battery that is in need of a replacement can cause the phone to overheat. So if you have this problem, the solution is simple. Immediately visit your service center or a repair shop. Moving next, besides the hardware, software issues can also cause phones to overheat. If an app is misbehaving, it may be running the phone's components at a high level for an extended period of time, which can cause them to generate more heat than usual. Similarly, if there are issues with the phone's operating system, it may not be able to manage the component's power usage effectively, which can lead to overheating. It is also important to use the original charger or which that meets the device's specifications. If overheating still persists after the above, I would suggest you to contact the device manufacturer for further assistance. And that's it for today. Hit the subscribe as well as the bell button for more tips and tricks. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.